Tonight I'm out to get a couple of shots that lots of photographers seem to be wanting to get. Tonight is the Summer Solstice. It's the 21st of June. I'm going to do very little editing on this video, and I'm probably going to muff my lines completely because I don't have any lines, which is quite normal. So far I'm not doing too badly. This is Cromer Beach. We are, let's have a look at the watch, 9 o'clock. Sun is racing down to the horizon over there, as you can see, and so far I've got the one shot, which is your standard view, very much something like that, only a little bit more saturated. Place the horizon roughly in the centre. I've got a lovely reflection of everything on the wet sand, beautifully timed so the tide is out, and yeah, it's a standard shot that you would expect to see from Cromer Beach of Cromer Pier. A few of these shots are going to be earth-shattering because, well, you can only capture what's there, but I'll tell you what's there is a lovely, lovely array of beautiful summer colours of a sunset. So here's the shot I've already taken. If it's the only one I take tonight, it won't be the only one I take tonight, but I do hope you like it. Click the like button, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and yeah, I'll see you in a few minutes with some more shots, I'm sure. So I came out to this town last night as well, not necessarily for sunset, but I did get some sunset shots, and I put the drone up as well, and yeah, I'll show you some of those. What I did get last night is also what I've got a couple of shots of already this evening, and that's what I call Streach shots. And if you haven't already seen my video up there where I introduce Streach, then please go and check it out after you've seen this one. But in the meantime, enjoy my Streach shots and a couple of drone shots from last night as well. We've got such a small cloud base here. However, I do detect that somewhere out there towards the horizon that there is a bit of a cloud base, so we might not actually get a great deal more sun for much longer. So my location here probably isn't ideal. I was right, there is a bit of a cloud bank over there. You can see the last ball of the sun coming through. Oh, actually coming underneath it as well. That's rather nice. And it's on the wrong side of the pier for me to get this. It's a little pig. In fact, that's absolutely bloody gorgeous. But I don't think I'm going to rush to get that now because it's breaking through various bits of cloud in a very kind of Far Eastern kind of yeah, graphic way. It's gorgeous. Hold on. Wide angle lens on, so I'm bloody certain I'm not going to get what's happening to it over there, and I suppose I could rush to get towards under the pier, but I would probably kill myself in doing it and potentially damage the equipment, so I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm just going to enjoy that that wonderful scene over there. And now I'm going to turn my attention briefly to shooting in the opposite direction, because there is this wonderful, wonderful ombre over here, and with a long exposure smoothing that tide out, I think that will make for a nice shot as well. Very much run and gun for me this evening. I always get a bit of a panic when time is of the essence, and particularly when I've got absolutely no control over it. The only thing I've got control over is my own actions, and sometimes, as I'm sure there are people who know me well would agree, that's not a good thing. Anyway, just a really simple shot here. You can see I'm right on the edge of the incoming tide here. I think it's incoming, looks like it is. Haven't checked. Simple little shot. I'm losing colour quickly here. So 6-stop filter on 40-second exposure. That's what the image looks like out of camera. I am going to tidy that up a lot and show it to you in a moment. Well, that's me done on the beach. I'm going to pop up to the prom, maybe the pier, and see what images might be left up there before the light vanishes entirely. And indeed, even after the light has vanished entirely, we've got the lights on the prom, the electric lights on the prom, which always provide something interesting. And right now they've all got red, white and blue Union flags. There's filters in the lights as well, which is quite interesting, so see what we can get there. One of the favourite shots of anyone that visits the pier are these wonderful little seating pavilions, which have recently been painted, and because of the Queen's Platinum Jubilee recently, they're decked out in red, white and blue lighting as well, and I've got to say, they do look nice. Now, I got a shot on my phone of, so it's crawling on me.
Just the mouthwash.
Not crawling now. So on my phone, a month or so back now, I got a really, because one of these phones has got a stupid number of lenses on it, and I got a really wide angle shot, stood on the bench as I am now, of this whole area, and it's not an image that I can reproduce on the camera because it's just too wide. I have tried it as a kind of panorama, but I have to look down so you get the wrong perspective, and you just can't blend it properly because of all the slats on the floor and everything. It looks very, very, very bent. So kind of got to make do with this image here, which I've got as quite a big exposure blend, and I think it's going to look very, very nice. Let me know what you think of it. Well, I think that concludes my Summer Solstice shoot at Cromer. I hope you've enjoyed the photos. There's a couple more to come. Yeah, click the subscribe button, click the like button, and all of that kind of stuff, and we'll see you next week.